Hello, it's great to see you again. I'm Emzilla and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute dried flower and resin earrings.
You will need 2 bezel frame charms, 2 5mm jump rings, your choice between 2 earring hooks or clip-ons, a piece of sticky one-sided film the size of both bezels, a toothpick, two lots of flowers or leaves, some pliers, a long nose candle lighter, 10 grams of UV resin. I use this one from Vida Rosa. It's really high quality and is non-carcinogenic, so gloves and masks are not required. And finally, a UV lamp. First step, take your film and peel off the backing. Now place it down with the sticky side facing up. Take your bezels and press the flattest side to the film. Press firmly to make sure they stay on. Now add a small amount of resin to the inside of the charm and move it around with the bottle nozzle or a toothpick to form a thin foundation layer. Make sure you get every bit and then hover a lighter over the resin, being careful not to burn it, to pop all the air bubbles. For stubborn bubbles, use the toothpick to bring them to the surface. Set under your UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now, add a blob of resin to the middle of each charm. This will act as the glue for our filling. Add the flowers and position them using a toothpick. The resin underneath will allow it to slide around easily. When you're finished, set it for another 30 seconds. Now, when we add more resin, the flowers won't float to the top. Next, fill the bezels to the top with resin. Once again, use a toothpick to push around the resin and a lighter to pop the bubbles. Now set again for 20 minutes. Now that the resin is fully set and hardened, remove the film from the back of the charms. Lay them onto a clean surface front down so the sticky backs are facing the sky. Lay them onto a clean surface face down so the sticky backs are facing upwards. Add resin to the backside and push around with a toothpick, ensuring you have covered every sticky surface. This will coat the back as well as resolve any warbling that may have happened. Set for another 20 minutes. Now that the charms are complete, it's now time to add the hooks. Taking your pliers, open one of the jump rings and thread it through the loop in the bezel. Now the loop on the earring hook. When they are all on the jump ring secure, pinch the ring closed. The charm should dangle freely like this. Repeat for the other side. And there you have it, your own earrings. Aren't they precious? Drop a like if you have enjoyed this tutorial and comment below what you would like to see next.